the U.S. government has taken other actions to limit purchases of Chinese-made drones. 2 U.S. senators said Thursday they had proposed banning the Federal Aviation Administration from buying or using Chinese-made drones. Senators Marsha Blackburn, a Republican, and Senator Mark Warner, a Democrat who chairs the Intelligence Committee, proposed legislation that would also bar the FAA from providing federal funds to foreign drone companies from China and some other countries. He said the FAA operates more than a dozen drones manufactured in China. The ban will also apply to drones made in Russia, Iran, North Korea, Venezuela and Cuba. Taxpayer dollars should not fund drones manufactured in territories hostile to the U.S., Blackburn said, adding the bill helps curb imports of drones manufactured by our adversaries, keeps our country safer and encourages manufacturing at home. The bill would also require the FAA to replace Chinese-made drones with U.S. or Allied-made drones within 1 year. Last week, Republican Senator Marco Rubio asked the U.S. Capitol Police to stop using drones made by Autel Robotics, a Chinese drone manufacturer, citing safety concerns. In 2020, the Commerce Department imposed export restrictions on drone maker DJI, accusing it of complicity in suppressing China's Uyghur minority or aiding the military. In April, Republican Representatives Elise Stefanik and Mike Gallagher introduced legislation to add DJI to the Federal Communications Commission's covered list, which would prohibit it from operating on U.S. communications infrastructure. More than 50% of drones sold in the U.S. are made by China-based company DJI, and they are the most popular drones used by public safety agencies, lawmakers say. In January 2020, the U.S. Department of the Interior said it grounded its fleet of about 800 Chinese-made drones after stopping the agency's purchase of additional such drones.